Guys, we are back here with our Hendrick's gin that we're going to be using for our Tom Collins today. Once again, any of the gins here at the Canax liquor store would work great for this drink. So starting off, usually we garnish at the end, but today I wanted to do something a little bit different, and we're just going to have a little bit of fun with our lemon wheels here. So just kind of make it a little bit more fun. A little bit more ice, another lemon wedge. Oops. Kind of have fun with it, right? Make it interesting. So that's where we're gonna start. We're gonna come behind our ice with our ounce of gin right here. Perfect. Make a little bit of a mess, have some fun with it. There we are. After our gin, coming behind with about a half ounce of our simple syrup. If you don't remember making the simple syrup, refer back to the one of the previous videos. We go through how to make simple syrup and have fun with that too. After our simple syrup, we're going to put 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice in there. So kind of following our lemon theme. There we are. Get a little bit of color going in there. And then lastly, we're going to take our club soda here. And about 2 ounces there. These measurements, you can definitely play with them, have some fun with them to make it a little bit more what you like. And then just to finish off, I like to float one more lemon wheel right on top there, just to kind of give that citrus on the first drink there. Enjoy the Tom Collins. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed these videos. Make sure that you check out all the content on that page, and if you try any of your creations and you want to share them with us, tag Edmonton Garrison PSP. See you guys.